Hi, I'm Carrie Cavell.
And I'm Sean Orsborn.
We're here today from Walker Industries to talk to you about our GrowBetter Gardens. You would have seen us in the previous video where we introduced to you our 4 different products. Now we're going to elaborate a little bit more on the GrowBetter Garden soils that we have to offer.
Yeah, and in the GrowBetter brand, we have 2 distinct soils available for consumers. One, what we call our fabulous flowers and shrubs. It is really a high-quality multi-purpose soil for use of a variety of plants, including annuals, perennials, wildflowers, and shrubs, and really designed to be used as a container soil to help bring life to your planters, your window baskets, any planters you may have around your patio as well. Primarily, that's where we see the soil being used. It can be used as an amendment, and if I was to use it as an amendment, Carrie, what do I need to keep in mind?
If you're amending it with your existing garden soil, what you want to do is put a layer of this on top and mix it in with about 3 parts existing soil.
Okay.
As you're planting into it, it's going to be mixing itself in, doing the work for you.
Then when we talk about the second soil over here on this side, that is our vibrant vegetables. It's a high quality vegetable soil, ideal for vegetable herb gardens, landscape beds, fruiting shrubs. And if I'm going to amend this, what do I need to be aware of for amending this particular soil? Because it is different, right?
It is different. It's a little bit heavier. You want to amend it with 1 part the new soil with 3 parts of your existing soil. So again, you can just sprinkle it on top, mix it in with the existing garden bed. If you're planting seeds, you want to mix it first so that it's an even mix so that the seed can do great in it.
Yeah, and one other thing to know with regards to the vibrant vegetables is that it's certified for organic use. For those people who are interested in growing organically, this has been certified by the EcoCert. The certification's on the bag to be used in organic agriculture. Okay, and when we talk about the ingredients, because when I take a look at the 2 soils, one's they're primarily container focused, seem a little lighter than what we're seeing here in what would be traditionally be an amended soil.
Exactly. So the key ingredient in both of these soils is definitely your compost as well as aged bark fines.
Yep.
A major difference between them that Sean highlighted here was the lightness of this. That comes from the wood fiber ingredient that is in the flowers and shrubs. There's also composted poultry manure and organic starter fertilizer in both of these. So we recommend as your crops are growing, at about 3 weeks, you start to implement your own fertilizing regime to get the best flowers and the best growing vegetables you can get.
If you're looking for other information, go to growbettergardens.ca. There's a lot of information on the soils and what's in it, and a lot of what Carrie and I have talked about. Or better still, go visit your local garden center or garden retailer. They can help you with your GrowBetter Gardens product.
See you next time.
Take care.